What's up, Life Adventurers? Today we're in the Atlantic Ocean. Today our crew includes Captain Michael, First Assist, Mother Adrian, and me. I don't know what I'd be. Troublemaker extraordinaire. Now we're off on today's boating adventure. Growing up, we used to have a boat, and we would go out when we could, but not often enough, so we got rid of it when I was in 2nd grade. But now, my parents and I haven't been on a boat together since then, just us. So we rented a boat for today in the Florida Keys out of Key Largo, and here we are. Second spot here. At our first place I went tubing a little bit, and I'll insert some clips of that, and then now we're at Christ of the Abyss, which is off the coast of the Keys, and it's about 20 feet down in the water. It's a statue of Christ. It's actually covered in fire coral, so a lot of people who go down for the first time go and give it a hug, and they come up in pain because they've touched a bunch of fire coral. So I'm gonna go snorkeling, and I'll take you with me on my GoPro. just sitting snacking on some watermelon. It's the perfect boat snack. It's nice and cool, cools you down when it's super hot out and you're sunburned. Even though today's goal, what was today's goal, Mom? Get a bad sunburn. Today's goal was not to get a bad sunburn, so we'll see how that turns out. But for now, we're having a good time, snacking, hanging out, relaxing on the boat. And now it's time to head back to shore. So one of the things the Keys is best known for is key lime pie. Now, some people tell you their favorite spots, and there are a bunch of different spots to get that. But we like our spot, which is this factory that makes key lime pie, and it cuts it up, and then they freeze it, dip it in chocolate, put it on a stick, and keep it in the freezer. So it's almost like key lime pie ice cream on a stick. They have a location down further, but since we're just on Key Largo right now, they actually carry them in the Circle K gas stations. So we're gonna head on over there and grab some. So this is the key lime pie bar that I'm talking about. So it's from Key West Key Lime Pie Company, and it's their chocolate dipped pie bar. It's the best. So here's the bar. This is what it looks like. A whole piece of pie covered in chocolate on a stick. The best thing in the Keys. So good. Look at that. Hey guys, so we just got back from our trip where we chartered the boat and went to the Keys, and it was a great day overall. I think we had a lot of fun out in the water. It's something we haven't done together in a long time, and it really makes a difference when you're with family and just having fun hanging out. So we went tubing, which was really fun. I found that tube off of the app OfferUp, and then after we went tubing, we hung out by the statue that's underwater. So I showed you guys, we went snorkeling by there, and that was really nice too. And then we just hung out there kind of all day, eating, hanging out, going in the water, and jumping off the boat. Basically, some things I want to say are that I'm going to be leaving some links below in the description box, mainly the one for the Key Lime Pie Company. This is a place you can actually order from. I have ordered from them before, but it can be really expensive with the shipping. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link below for the place I rented the boat through. I used a place called Sunshine Watersports to rent the boat, and it was a great experience. I worked with someone named Kevin who rented out the boat to us, and it was a super easy process. He was on time, and he was very helpful with lending us life jackets or making sure we knew what we were doing on the boat and helping us dock at the end because it's a pretty tight space. So if you're ever in the Key Largo area or even in South Florida and you're looking for a fun day trip, this is definitely something to look into because he rents his boats out from 10 to 5. So you get a lot of hours in with it, and it's a pretty good deal. So I'll leave the link below for his company as well if you want to check that out. But yeah, thanks for joining me this time. I had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to take you on my next adventure.